Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Beth.
Welcome back, everyone. My name is Kylie the Curly Crafter, and the holiday season is finally coming in. I hope that you guys are as excited for December as I am because Craftmas Day 1 is finally here. If you guys don't know what Craftmas is, every single day of December leading to Christmas, I try to post a craft video every single day. And today, since it is Craftmas Day 1, to get the season started, I'm planning a super cool video. We are going to be doing a super trendy hot cocoa bar, but not any hot chocolate bar. It's going to be a Candyland gingerbread inspired pink hot cocoa bar. So if that's what you're into, then let's get started. So the hot cocoa bar actually comes in 2 pieces, and we brought them both over here to get painted. We put a tarp on the ground so we don't make a mess, and me and my mom are gonna paint it together because it's actually her hot cocoa bar. But before we paint it, we are gonna use some TSP, which is a heavy duty cleaner, and if you look on the back, they have directions on how to mix it and use it. So we are going to actually clean the pieces. This is the paint that we got off of Amazon. It's in the shade Dusty Pink, and if you guys are interested in getting the same color that we have, I will also link it down in the description. One last thing I wanted to mention before we got started is if you are interested in the actual hot cocoa bar piece of furniture that we have, we got it off of Facebook. We only paid $50 for this super unique piece, which I love. I don't really know what brand it's from or where you can buy it, but you can just use any type of hutch for a hot cocoa bar. Now let's start cleaning and painting, but we'll start with unscrewing the hardware. After this baby dries up, we can get to painting.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. flesh appearing. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let.
It's actually the next day and the hot cocoa bar is mostly painted. It's looking really good, but there are still some opaque spots, so we have to run over to Home Depot and get a color match on the paint. We love the color, it is the perfect shade, but it was like $40 on Amazon and we don't want to spend $80 in paint, so we are going to go pick up a color match version. After that, we're planning a trip to Target so we can get the hot cocoa bar essentials like the peppermint and marshmallows. That way we can stock the bar, decorate it, and enjoy a cozy little hot cocoa bar this afternoon. This is currently the progress on the hot cocoa bar, and this is what this one is looking like. It has a lot of paint completed on it, but there's still some opaque areas. So without further ado, let's go get the paint and the peppermints.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy.
I just unintentionally found the cutest pillow ever at HomeGoods. We went in there to look for a few other items, and we also seen a bunch of hot cocoa stuff there. If you guys are interested, like instead of Target, they have like giant variety packs that you can get that have a bunch of like the marshmallow toppers and different type of stirrers, so that's an option. But we think Target may be less expensive, so we're gonna try there first. But let me show you what I found in HomeGoods. Look at this thing, it is giant, it is so soft. It has a fuzzy roof, these little fake gumdrop pom-poms, and it was only $15. I literally love it so much. It's gonna look so cute on my bed and I cannot wait to use it. But now back to the shopping for the hot cocoa bar.
Our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
So here is the little Target haul. We got some rice cakes for lunch, and then for the cocoa bar we got some marshmallows. We got the jumbo one and also mini marshmallows. We might only use the mini ones, but we also have some other jars to fill with these. Speaking of marshmallows, we have some marshmallow toppers as well from Target. Obviously some crushed candy cane. We got a couple bags of some chocolate chips, some peanut M&M. We also got a couple of these chocolate pretzels to try. And then last but not least, we got a couple of these super cute gingerbread mugs for like brewing espressos, maybe even some eggnog, and I think they will look super cute maybe next to our Keurig or espresso machine. The paint and hardware is secured. The moment we all have been waiting for is finally here. The cocoa bar is all set up and ready for us to decorate it. I cannot wait to see how it comes out. We have so many cute items to add here, so without further ado, let's start decorating. We decided to put it here because it's next to the kitchen. It's also next to the tree and where we watch Christmas movies, so we thought this would be the perfect spot. Last time you guys seen the cocoa bar, this tree was actually next to the gingerbread guy, but in order to make it more functional, we actually got these two larger jars and filled them with marshmallows so that we had more room at the top to add other type of candies and goodies. And then since we took away this gumdrop tree and there was a greenery tree here, I decided to put a smaller gumdrop tree just to kind of add back that type of Candyland decoration. And then inside the little red jar that was here, we added some like pretzel rods, which could be cool for the hot cocoa. We even hung the hot cocoa bar sign. And last but not least, we got our fancy Keurigs so we can make some hot cocoa. We even have this wooden 3 divider that has 3 different types of hot cocoa. We have the classic, the marshmallow, and double chocolate, all from Starbucks. So without further ado, the last thing to do is make us a nice cozy cup of hot cocoa. how our finished cocoa bar turned out. It is so adorable and so festive with all the gingerbread and Candyland features. I definitely know it's going to be super fun to make warm cups of hot cocoa during the Christmas season this year. And if you like the cocoa bar as much as I did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Make sure to subscribe because I have a bunch more Craftmas videos coming to you guys this December, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone!
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye, come.